Hi, I'm Mike with Michigan Specialty Paper. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use MSP Weed Free Light laser transfer paper. MSP Weed Free Light is a one-step laser paper designed to put solid color images on light-colored fabrics, producing a vibrant image without the background polymer. You can use it to decorate t-shirts, aprons, mouse pads, and, well, too many other things to list here. But before we begin, we need to make a transfer. Your design should be made up of solid colors. However, a 30% gradient or higher will reproduce correctly. White does not reproduce, so avoid white and use a gradient if necessary. Once you've completed your design, the next step is printing the transfer. Remember, print your design using the mirror image setting. First, we need to adjust the laser printer media setting, which is critical to producing a usable transfer. We use an Okadata 3400 laser printer because it's user-friendly and easy to adjust. In the File menu, you select Print. Select your printer, then select the printer properties. In the media box, go to Weight. Select the Weight pull-down and then select Glossy. Select OK, and you've set the media to the correct weight. Check your individual printer instructions for the correct setting. Heavy, label, or glossy are usually best. And as with any new paper, some experimentation might be necessary before you determine the best setting. This is an example of an incorrect media setting. The polymer coating from the paper is stuck to the printer rollers. Don't panic. Running several sheets of bond paper through the printer usually resolves the issue. We recommend using your bypass tray when printing transfers, not the normal paper stack tray. MSP Weed Free Light should be fed straight through the printer whenever possible. Oh, and don't forget to load your paper to print on the unprinted side of the paper. Now that we have a design, let's make a t-shirt. MSP Weed Free Light works best with 100% cotton, 50-50 poly blends, and polyester fabrics. Remember, this paper requires a heat press. It cannot be applied with a hand iron. There are 3 settings to remember with any heat transfer paper: time, temperature, and pressure. Be sure to read the instructions that come with your paper. The press settings can be found in the instructions. Set your pressing time to 25 seconds at 330 degrees using heavy pressure. MSP Weed Free Light requires maximum pressure. This is typically the point at which you can just barely close the lid. Then back it off a little. It's basically a matter of trial and error. As with any new product, it's going to take a few tries before you get the correct settings. Center your shirt on the press. We put a mark on our press to help with centering. We also use a T-square to align the transfer horizontally. Close the press for 5 seconds to remove any creases and moisture before you press your transfer onto the shirt. Remember to place the transfer face down on your shirt. We also use heat tape to secure the transfer when position is important. The tape will hold your design securely up to 400 degrees and leaves no residue. Once again, I've set the temperature to 330 degrees, the time to 25 seconds, and the pressure to heavy. This is very important. Take your t-shirt off the press and cool it by waving it slowly for 8 to 10 seconds before peeling the transfer off the shirt. If you allow the shirt to cool longer than 10 seconds, the transfer will not peel correctly. If this happens, sometimes repressing the shirt for a few seconds will help release the transfer. You can improve the washability and durability of your shirt by placing the shirt back into the press. Cover it with a Teflon sheet or craft paper and repressing using the same settings. Make sure you follow the washing instructions provided. That'll increase the life of the shirt. Follow the directions on the instruction sheet and you should have no problem using MSP Weed Free Light. Now that I've showed you how easy it is to make a shirt using MSP Weed Free Light, I'd like to show you another product offered by Michigan Specialty Paper that's even easier to use. Michigan Specialty Paper now carries its own line of heat-applied foils. We offer a variety of foil colors and designs, and best of all, MSP heat-applied foil is easy to apply, turning ordinary projects into eye-popping designs. Foil can be applied easily to a design using MSP Weed Free Light and our heat-applied foil. We'll take the shirt we just decorated and add foil to it. The nice part about foil is you can cover all the design or just a small portion. Position the foil over the design area, making sure the aluminum colored side is down. To be safe, I'm taping the foil down using heat tape, which leaves no residue and holds up to about 400 degrees. To protect the design, cover the entire shirt with a Teflon pressing sheet or craft paper. Press for 5 to 10 seconds at 330 to 350 degrees using heavy pressure. You'll need to experiment to get the perfect setting for your press. After removing your shirt from the heat press, allow it to cool. Once the shirt is cooled, peel the foil. There you have it, a perfectly foiled shirt that will make a beautiful addition to any customer's order. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, please call or email us and we'll be happy to assist you. Michigan Specialty Paper offers heat transfer products that can be used with inkjet or laser printers. You can order any of the products I've shown you today from our website or by calling us at the telephone numbers shown below. Thanks for watching.